Good afternoon, sir. I am a Primates Daganon. So, akong gipili nga scenario is family therapy, which is itong broken family. So, as a guide question is, what would be your first approach to the client? So, I introduce myself and explain the process. So, usang questions or technique ang akong ginagamit. So, ang una is active listening. So akong encourage ang family member to share their thoughts and feelings without interruption. So ang ikaduha is reflective summarizing. So repeat back what I heard to ensure understanding and show empathy. Next is circular questioning. Ask family member to share their perspective or a particular issue. So next guide question is, what outcome do you want to achieve? So lima. So improve communication, conflict resolution, strengthen relationship, increase understanding, and lastly is effective problem solving. So more to sir. Thank you and God bless, Sir Amping.